started unboxing the 3D printer. It's 10S PRO Creality. Bought it on Amazon. I think it was $670, somewhere around there. But it seemed like it's some type of aluminum bed. Kind of has some type of texture on it. It's not glass. Let me see. So that's it right there. And that's the other piece. And what else comes in the package? A spool, a filament, PLA filament. Nicely tucked away in here. Of course, the instruction manual. I put this thing together tomorrow. Then I'm guessing this is a box of tools. Power cord, USB, flash drive, pieces for the spool, toolkit, spatula. I'm guessing this is an extra bolting tube that comes in the kit. And I also bought that. I've read somewhere that Hatchbox makes pretty good PLA. I haven't 3D printed anything yet, so I have my files for the plasma cannon and the mine and stuff, so I have enough stuff to test it on, because the plasma cannon by itself has about 17 different parts to it. So until next time, hopefully I could film a video of me putting it all together, running it for the first time, making the first print. See you guys later. Bye.